Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We just got a mail call in. Fast and the Furious. This is Brian's 99 Nissan GTR Skyline. It's made by Greenlight and it's a 1x18. Really cool. No opening parts or anything like that, but I'm expecting pretty decent detail because it's coming from Greenlight. It does have underglow effect on it, so that's cool. It did take batteries. The instructions are on the side of the box right there. But let's get to the car. So I already opened it. I already opened it, guys. So here it is. Let's put it on the turntable here. All right. So let's have a good look at it. Really nice details. Calipers, rims, back tail lights, license plate, muffler. All the exterior details are awesome. I love them. There is only one flaw. There's only one flaw. It is right here on the paint. I'm pretty sure you guys can kind of see it. It's right there. Much more noticeable in real life. So you guys can kind of see it's right there. But whatever. I'll live with it. The spoiler comes off. It got shipped in a different compartment. Same box, just different compartment. And you just put it on like that. I'm sure they just didn't want to break it off in shipping. Alright, so there the brake setup with the rims. You got all the cool brands on there. HKS, JBL, APC, Sparkle, Nitrous, K&N. We got Turbonetics right there. And we got Motec. See the headlights, fog lights. Really cool. The back bumper's done really well too. Oh, cool. I have a backup and a red one. I don't know what the other one's for. Must be like a fog light maybe. We don't have that kind of stuff in Canada here. But yeah, let's have a look at the interior here. So your blue and whites, the blue and gray seats. You see your nitrous bottles on the other side there. It is right-hand drive, obviously. So let's have a close look at this nitrous tank setup. So really cool, really good details on the inside. I really like it. All right, let's have a look underneath. So this is underneath. That's cool. And then you get this little thing here. This is where you put the batteries. You turn it this way to take the battery thing off. And there's a little switch here. Let's see if we can get it on here. Oh, sorry guys, I just dropped the spoiler. I'm probably, this is going to be a display piece, so really the spoiler ain't going to fall off like that. It's just when I'm holding it upside down and stuff, it just kind of flies off. But anyways, that is the underglow. That is the underglow. Let's see if we can, oh frig. Sorry guys, the spoiler is really annoying. But anyways, so you can see the underglow, just a bunch of LEDs. See, just a row of LEDs. I've seen online where people modify it, and then they got all the headlights and the fog lights and the tail lights all lighting up with LEDs. I might get my buddy to help me with that. I do have a mini-me to compare. This is the Hot Wheels. Car Culture, Fast and the Furious. So, a little mini-me there. And they look really good together. Really cool. So this actually got lost in the mail. I was expecting this like months ago. Never came. I actually canceled the order because they pretty much said they lost it. So I don't really know what's going on right now with the situation. If they're going to email me, make me pay for it now, or what is this, a freebie? Who knows? Anyways, it wasn't much anyways, so either way, I am good. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to post up more videos. I just haven't had the time lately. Got Got a bunch of cool stuff coming in from eBay too as well. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, say something in the comments. Check out my Instagram. It is the same username, just instead of spaces, it's underscores. So this underscore is underscore my underscore diecast underscore life. All right, so you guys check it out. I pretty much post everything on there. So the YouTube, I just basically post the videos that are going to be longer that I don't want to stick on Instagram, like this one. But yeah, I'm really enjoying making these diecast videos, so I hope you guys enjoy them too. All right, guys, peace out.